And we're back with another video. It's just the beginning of February and super stoked. It's the early spring predicted, and that is showing in the garden. We have some tulips already starting to come up. We're gonna go outside, do a tour, and check it out and see how things are going. Okay, so the garden is really bare right now. We're still a good month and a half till stuff starts to really start growing more so, but things already are growing in the tulip world, as this is one of our tulip bed patches. If you watch previous videos that I have, this is just full. This is full of tulips. There's hundreds of them in this mound, that one, and that one, and then we also have some over here. But already I'm surprised that they're coming up. They are starting to come up already all over the place. So this is a good sign that spring's on the way. And this is going to be awesome. This will be the third year with these tulips, so I'm expecting it to be really lit up with a lot of color. And then we've got more of them coming through here. Right there. So this is cool. So this is really getting the blood flowing to get things rolling in the garden. And over here, these are wildflowers. Some of this is weeds in here, but a lot of these bigger ones are actually wildflowers. Through here, they just haven't flowered yet because it's too cold, but they kind of just go dormant, and they've just stayed in this patch. So we're gonna have a lot of wildflowers through here. Gonna go big this year. Excuse the noise, it's a little loud. We're gonna take a walk around. Again, these are all mostly wildflowers coming up. Kind of crazy. It has been warm. It's been in the 50s sometimes. And one thing we started doing last year was put weed mat down. And that is a huge lifesaver with the weeds, obviously, but we had not been using it till the end of last season. So we're going to be doing a lot of that this year, as we already got this ready, and we're going to be doing a lot of sections with weed mat to keep the weeding down. But this is looking really good through here. We flower this area up a lot. It's the four-way stop here. These are all of our raspberries, still really dormant. I'm not going to walk through here, it's pretty muddy. But cool to see some green on the ground already. And the tulips coming up. Going to be doing a lot of flowers through here. Pretty much this side of the garden will be more flowers with the pathways, the grass pathways, and then over here is our vegetable section. We'll have the tomatoes. We're going to do beets this year, broccoli, onions, and some other stuff. Peppers will be all in this section. This was all peppers last year, but we're going to be doing weed mat through here, which we have not been doing. That's going to make it look really nice. Let's take a look inside the greenhouse. I just watered everything. And as predicted, I planted giant sunflower seeds in some of these pots. And I predicted about a week and a half, 2 weeks, and they start coming up. They just really like it in here. It stays warm. And so they're already coming up. This is where the pepper plants were. So now this will be all full of sunflowers. I'm going to grow those out till they can grow no more, and then cut them is the plan. And then in the fall I'm going to plant something else in these pots. And then over here, a couple seeds coming up. And then that's what's going on. Roses are doing really well. Alright, that's going to be it for today's video. Beautiful day out. Just got back from snowshoeing up in the mountains. You can actually see the snowy mountains in the background. That's Boise. Alright, thanks for watching.